Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa in a pressure cooker. This method is incredibly efficient, ensuring your quinoa is perfectly cooked every time. Using a pressure cooker simplifies the process, making it a fantastic option for busy weeknights or meal prepping. You'll love how consistently fluffy and delicious your quinoa turns out, all while saving valuable time and energy in the kitchen. Let's get started with the simple steps. Before cooking, it's crucial to properly prepare your quinoa. Start by measuring out 1 cup of dry quinoa. Then, place it in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for at least 30 seconds. This step is vital because it removes the natural bitter coating, called saponin, ensuring your cooked quinoa has a pleasant, mild flavor. Don't skip this quick but important step. Now, let's get to the cooking. After rinsing, transfer your 1 cup of quinoa to your pressure cooker pot. Add exactly 1 cup of water and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Secure the lid, set the valve to sealing, and cook on high pressure for just 1 minute. Yes, that's right, only 1 minute of active cooking time for perfectly tender quinoa. Once the 1 minute of cooking is complete, turn off the heat and allow the pressure to naturally release for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully quick release any remaining pressure. Open the lid and you'll find perfectly cooked quinoa. Use a fork to gently fluff it up before serving. For more kitchen tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description for a link and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, fluffy quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.